Hi, it's Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Netty, Commons Configuration 2, and Cygwin. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. This update introduces new HTTP endpoints for checking the health of individual services and cluster nodes. These endpoints allow load balancers to verify the operational status of key system components and distribute traffic efficiently, only to healthy servers. Two types of health checks are supported: Liveness, to determine if a service is operational, and Readiness, to verify the readiness of cluster nodes to process workloads. If the load balancer receives an HTTP response of 200, the server or service is deemed healthy. Otherwise, it's considered unhealthy and will stop processing traffic. For more details and configuration instructions, refer to Health Checks for Services and Cluster Nodes in the Administrator Guide. The Zero Downtime Update procedure has been revised for clarity and has been extended with an update validation step, leveraging the newly introduced Readiness Check feature. Visit the Zero Downtime Update section in the Administrator Guide for additional details. Starting with this update, SecureTransport no longer requires 32-bit libraries to be installed. All Windows and Linux native utilities are now 64-bit. Refer to the On-Premises Installation Guide for the full list of requirements. Thank you for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.